better known as Black Girl Magic Hair, sent over a wig. This is their packaging, pretty in pink. I have a 26-inch wig for y'all today. Textured wig at that. Nice and full, and we have to get into the lace. So it has the C part. You see this little indent right here. So that way it's going to fit very comfortable around your ear. If you're someone who wears glasses, this is definitely going to help with that. And then also if you just feel uncomfortableness when you are wearing wigs near your ear area, this is definitely going to just sit comfortably in your ear, so that way it's not too much texture and pressure around that area. It has a built-in elastic band that is adjustable on both ends. We have some combs in here, and these combs are removable. So if you don't like combs, no need to have to worry about undoing the stitching. All you have to do is pull it out. The lace is pre-cut, so we don't have to do extra cutting with the lace. It is curved a little bit in the front, so I'm probably going to do just a little bit of trimming, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Also, it's glueless, so you don't have to use any glue or gel to hold your wig in place. You can just put this baby on and head out the door, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do that today. I have to do a little bit of customization first, but once you customize it, then it's gonna be real easy to just throw that baby on and head out the door. Since this lace does have space, you have 9 inches across your forehead and it goes 6 inches back. So with all that lace space, the wig is versatile, meaning you can wear it in the middle, or you can wear it on the side, or you can do some parting, some braids, some twists, whatever you want to do to be creative with your hairstyle, you could do that. So first, I'm gonna install my wig. Let me show you guys how I do it. I love this for me, and I'm gonna love it for you guys too. I'm gonna love it for y'all too when y'all get it, because did y'all see how that just went on? Now, it's giving just a little bit of light right here in the front, but I'm gonna just cut it off and then do like a reset so that way it blends in. Probably add like some bronzer or something. But I just love like that it came out of the packaging, and I don't have to do too much, because who wants to have to do a lot? We live in a world now where people want to get stuff done fast. And when it comes to my hairstyles, yes, I want them to be done fast.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly.
The blend is blending. I'm not mad at this. Not mad at the blend. Not mad at the blend at all. Let's see how I want to style it. I'm thinking a layer, maybe. I don't know. I'm still working on the front.
Then dip me underway. Feel my
Do y'all really want to sit and watch me straighten my hair? Probably not. I'm gonna go straighten it off camera. You see how poofy it is now, which you can for sure wear it like this. It looks good like this, but I want it straightened out some, so I'm gonna go off camera and straighten it and come back. I didn't expect to straighten this hair and to straighten it so easily. This has to be the softest kinky texture wig I've ever had. It's full, but it feels lightweight. It straightened so easily and smooth. It was just giving like it was virgin unprocessed hair or something. I just never had this texture wig before. Straighten so easily. It's still even giving nice, soft, and flowy. Like, look at that. Look at how easy and beautiful that's moving just from being straightened out. Ooh, truly, y'all, that's it for an install. There's nothing else to do to this wig unless I maybe cut the ends, but I don't even think I want to because they're even. I think I might give just like a slight small trim, just a small one. So if I comb this out, it's like one little section right here that looks just a little bit uneven. So it just makes the hair look well put together because I still want it to have the length. I don't want it to seem shorter than that. So I just cut it right there, right here. So it still gives long, just cleaner. Then I'll just kind of bump the end just a little bit. Yep. Just that nice little curl. Do you see that? Ooh, so pretty. Oh, that's exactly what I needed. That feels so pretty. Come back a little bit. It's so long that I have to sit really far away from the camera. But yeah, the end cut with the nice flip to the end. That was cute. And do the other side. Beautiful. I love it. If you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out my description bar below. I have a link there for you guys to get this exact same wig. The length is there, the fullness, soft texture, versatility if you need to do something different with your parting space. All the key features that I spoke on earlier. This is a all in all 10 out of 10 wig. I love it. I will be wearing this wig for sure. Also, since it's human hair, and if you want to add some color to it, you can. I know sometimes people want to have some fun colors. You can dye this hair if you would like. I think I might stick with it for this color for a little bit, and then maybe later on this spring I'll do some color changes. But for now, this is what we're rocking with. I love it. Full 362. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Thank you to BGM Hair for sending this unit over. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.